all, welcome back once again to VIEH Job Search series. Today we have another opening for the people those who are into cybersecurity. So the job role is cybersecurity analyst. So I'm going to tell you more about this opening in this video about where the opening is, how to apply, and what are the eligibility criteria. So be in this video. So this is about the job role. So they are in search of dedicated individuals to join their red team as a security analyst. uh, and it's work from office actually in Bangalore, India. This role is basically presented as an exceptional opportunity for someone who is enthusiastic about cybersecurity and desires hands-on experience in a dynamic setting. So this is about the basic description about this job role, what actually you are going to be hired for. Now next thing is the skill which is required for this job role is first thing is hand-on experience on setting up phishing infrastructure, which is very much important. The second thing is hands-on experience in setting up C2C infrastructure, which is command and control infrastructure. So if you are into red teaming, then you are familiar with all this topic, which is very basic, I guess. This is the company name. Actually, company is into Bangalore, Karnataka, India, and the company name is IntelliRoot. The main thing about this role is the opening is with the name security analyst as a red teamer. Experience should be from beginner to 3 years. If you are beginner, you can apply for this job role as well. And the company name is IntelliRoot, as I told you earlier. How to apply? So in the description, we have added the Google form from where you apply for this job. And if you get selected, then most probably you'll get a mail. But make sure not to do a spam on the form. So I guess that's all about this video. Hope you enjoyed and you'll get selected for this job role if you're searching for a job as a red teamer. So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind.